In this repair video, we're going to be working on the Xbox One X. It came in for an HDMI port replacement. Customer said he's seeing a black image on the screen. Now, the One X is a very popular repair. HDMI ports almost always, they go bad on the One X. I do not know what the reason is, but every time I look at the One X, we see that the plastic piece that's inside the HDMI port, it deforms somehow. It deforms and covers the pins. So I do not know if the deformation happens because of excessive heat that causes the plastic to get soft and then it molds in a certain way, or if it's a bad cable. But I've mentioned this many times before. I always see that problem with the Xbox One X. Let's go ahead and inspect the HDMI port under the microscope. And if we look at this one here, almost every video we've done on the Xbox One X, we see the plastic, it's molding over the pins. Let's flip the board. I'm just trying to lower the melting temperature of unleaded solder so we can remove this connector with as little heat as possible. And this low melt solder is just awesome. We're going to be carrying this low melt solder on our website. So if you'd like to try it, you can go ahead and order a stick. I mean, I use a lot of low melt, and I can tell you that one stick may be good for maybe 20 repairs. It depends on how much you use. Let's flip the board. And look at that. The port is already out. How long did that take? Maybe 3-4 seconds. We're going to be carrying this Amtech Flux on our site as well. I mean, every video that we post, people ask, what type of flux are you using? What type of low melt solder are you using? What type of USB meter are you using? What type of whatever you are using? I always end up sending people to either eBay or Amazon. Why not carry it at our shop and offer a better price? And when you buy from our shop, you'll be supporting the channel. It takes a lot of time and work to upload those videos. So instead of making the rich richer, you can just purchase it from our shop, and that way you'll be getting a couple of things. You'll be getting a similar or better price, and you will be supporting the channel, so we can always spend the time to make those videos. Okay, so let's go ahead and put the HDMI port. And I want to make sure the pins are flat with the pads. Very good. So what we need to do is we need to press down on the connector and start soldering the front pins. So I'm gonna press and hold down on the connector and just apply some solder. That's all right. I'm just applying some solder onto the pins. It doesn't matter if we have any bridges now. I just want to secure the pins with the pads, at least few of those pins. Okay, let's go ahead and solder the back, and then we'll come back to the front and finish off soldering this connector. And the back is done. Nice and shiny joints. Let's finish soldering the front pins. And the job is done. I just want to inspect to make sure we do not have any bridges on the inside. Very good, very good. And let's make sure all the pins are solid. Very good. Solid, solid, solid. I do not want to keep saying solid for every pin, but everything is solid. Very good, very good. Let's clean up. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and we'll do something else in the next video.